Well, there's no sun this morning. Temperature is a lot warmer than it was yesterday at 9.7. Overnight it was 6 point something, 6.7, and yesterday it was 18 something. Pretty good. It's looking like rain, but there's no rain in the rain gauge, so there we go. And I don't know where the sheep are this 1st of October. Must be down the end of the field. Anyway, there's no sun today. Overcast. Yes, but much warmer than it was yesterday. There you go. Blackberries are all over now. So, happy 1st of October.